We're going to continue with part 2, module 5, make my smile letter complete. Make sure you open up the text paragraphs and save it to your documents folder. The first one is just a preview of what we'll be working with. You should have your letterhead template open, and we're actually going to use this template letterhead and put a letter in here. So the first thing you're going to do is click Insert, choose Draw Text Box, and draw a text box the whole middle area of the document. And then you'll, if you need to, you can adjust it so it's within the green margins. Then you'll change the font, so click Home. The font will be size 12. And then click the paragraph dialog box. Make sure it's at indents and spacing. The alignment should be left. Preset is flush left. The after should be 0 spacing. And make sure that the between lines is 1.14. And then click OK. And then choose Send Backward. And then actually click the picture and choose Wrap Text and choose Tight. And then just click to the right of the picture, and we're going to put a date, so insert date and time, choose the third option for the current date, and OK, followed by 4 enters. And then what you'll do is you'll click Insert, and you'll go to Insert File, and you'll get the paragraphs that you just saved to your My Documents. Now, it went to 2 pages. For some reason, the spacing did not copy over. So if you select the entire document, we can do that part later. Make sure you go back into that home paragraph. Make sure the spacing is 0, 1.14, and then click OK. And then we'll continue where we left off. Same thing, paragraph, and 0 for the after spacing, and OK. And I think what I'm going to do is just on the date is just bring it down a little bit, add a couple of enters. There. So according to the book, they wanted you to type this entire letter, but I wanted to save some time and help you out beforehand. So the next thing we'll do is make some adjustments. So the middle section, starting with traditional, they want that to be numbered. So if you select those 3 paragraphs and then choose the number formatting and choose the one with the periods or the parentheses, your choice. And then the traditional braces should be both bold and italic. And then if you click the Format Painter twice, you can actually do the same thing to clear braces, and then see how it's still painting with the paintbrush, and also vote invisible braces. But make sure, because the paintbrush is still on, so click it to turn it off. So they should both, all 3 should be numbered and in bold and italic. This letter is now complete. I'm going to delete that second page because there's nothing on it, so if you just right click and choose you'll delete the second page. But this is your finished letter. So go ahead and choose save it and call it Knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, that's the person's that's receiving it, letter, Knight letter, and save and submit. Thank you.